everything now.
Forgotten how hot it gets here when you're just sitting out in the sun, and to think we're like 10-11 days away from winter is wild to me. I don't know what the winter is going to be like here. Apparently in Aldi this morning when Rowan went shopping, the whole middle section is just like winter gear, like really fluffy boots, like huge like windbreaker jackets and things. And we're thinking, doesn't this town only get to like 10 degrees in winter? Like not even overly cold. Like obviously it's cold, but like it's not Canberra cold, you know? But yeah, you just saw people like rummaging through, like stocking up, getting their sizes, trying things on like frantically. And I'm like, are we about to get a cold snap? Or like, I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get a proper winter here, but I'm excited if we do because it is very hot today. Hi, editing me, just popping in to say I did a really silly thing and most of the long clips I filmed this week I accidentally just deleted. I'm very mad at myself right now. Rowan was a little hairdresser and did some braids for me. As you can see, the hairdressing station behind me, but we are winning!
2 seconds remain. And it's Collingwood trying to run those on.
Good morning, happy Monday. It is time for a workout. Phew. Sorry. Jeez.
Drop everything now. Sparks fly. When you're not around.
So as great as it was getting the car back this morning, I get a text. Hit with another big bill this morning. We love to see it. We love to see it. So that's a bit of an issue now. Oh! How'd you come running up to me? It's our first electricity bill in this house, so we had no idea when it was gonna come or how much it was gonna come to. And we got hit with it this morning just after we paid all that money for the car. Anyway, we'll get through it. We always do. You're so cute. Okay, you can go down. Sorry. I'm taking the day off working today because firstly there's a reason I have a hat on today. I need to fix my hair, but since it is our 4-year anniversary, I bought a few little ingredients to make cinnamon scrolls today. So I've never made them before and Rowan really likes them, so I'm gonna give that a go. I'm very excited to make these cinnamon scrolls or cinnamon rolls, whatever you call them. Oh, my neighbour is out the front and I think he just saw me talking to myself. Cosmo, that's awkward. I'm just gonna stand back here just so the neighbours can't see me through the window. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna go fix up my hair, tidy the whole house, and then bake these cinnamon scrolls because I think they take about 4 hours. Why are you growling? I love how he just immediately stops growling whenever he's picked up. Why is that? Alright, I'm gonna get going with the day. Good morning, happy Wednesday. big day today. I've got Clinton Kane. I guess we're in love. I guess I'm in love. I guess I'm in love. Such a good song. Anyway, a lot to do today. I have a couple of appointments that I've booked in now that I finally have my car. And yeah, I just got to clean the house. I got to clean the fan. Just a lot of cleaning. So yeah, not sure how much I'm going to film today because I'm just going to be running around. But yeah, happy Wednesday. Also, an update on the cinnamon scrolls. They're a little bit dry in the middle, like it's very dense. So I don't know if I just like kneaded it too much, and I've still got to do like the drizzle whenever we eat one, but like, yeah, it turned out all right just for my first try. It's so dark on top for the egg wash, and then it's like really light. Can you see that? Probably not. Nice flavor, but just a bit dry. And I also made us some chocolate covered strawberries for our anniversary yesterday. They have little salted caramel pieces in it, which is fun. All right, oh my God, you're so zoomed in. Oh, that's even further. Perfect. Let's give this a little taste test with the little sprinkle on top. Still super dense in the middle. I don't know what I did there. If there are any bakers watching this, please let me know why my cinnamon rolls are like really like dense bread, like dense dough. I think maybe I kneaded it too much, but I don't know. It's my first time making them and it was from scratch, which is really fun. I'm out the back because we just got a very exciting delivery. I completely forgot that when we entered Western Australia, we weren't allowed to bring any like plants or seeds or anything through. So I didn't realize that this package had to go through quarantine, which is a little bit scary. It just has a little past quarantine sticker, which I think is really funny. I've never seen that on one of my packages before. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's Cosmo with his pot. What a crazy kid. Excuse Cosmo in the background, but how fun is this? Like, we've just ordered a whole bunch of hedges online. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Hello, good morning, happy Thursday. The lighting looks whack from up there, but I have my little setup here because I have a very exciting meeting happening at 9:30 and it's currently 9:22. So I've just gotten ready, straightened my hair, put a face on. Oh, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm very excited. I have 8 minutes to go. I think I'm gonna hop on maybe 5 minutes before just so, I don't know, just so they're like, oh yeah, she's early, yeah, I don't know. I always get so nervous for meetings like this, but like I know they're gonna be fine. Like they're so fine. Like if you've watched any of my vlogs, you'll know I'm a very anxious person, and so anything to do with like communication or like, I don't know, just talking to people, asking questions, answering questions, it's all a bit much. It gets the heart racing, that's for sure. But yeah, I think this is gonna be really great. Maybe I'll get my water bottle. I'm nervous. I also think this look gives off like girly but a little bit sophisticated because I got like the hoops in. We're looking cute, but yeah, I don't know. Okay. Oh my God. The laptop is on charge, that's not gonna die. The ring light is plugged in, that's not gonna turn off. Oh, I thought I lost the link. Okay, we're good. Actually, I'm gonna shut the door so Cosmo doesn't come in. Hi, how are you? Very well, thank you. I'm just trying to figure out how to turn the camera on, sorry. System preferences. I'm so sorry, I thought I was prepared.
No, you're fine.
That doesn't bring up anything for me. I'm on a Mac at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, I might do that. I'm so sorry. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I really don't mind. I'm so sorry.
That's fine. Yeah,
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same. I'm still shaking after what just happened. I just did something so big and scary and exciting, and I don't even know. I'm still trying to wrap my head around it. But I know it's only 11 a.m. but I made myself an ice cream. So we're gonna have this. We're gonna try and stop shaking because I'm excited. I don't know. I'm just gonna eat this, maybe watch a bit of, I don't know what I'm watching. I watched all my vlogs yesterday, so I don't really have anything to watch, but how cute does my ice cream look? This is my treat for finishing such a scary meeting, so I just feel so good. Feels a little bit wrong to be eating this at 11 a.m, but I can do what I want. There's no one here to stop me. I'm gonna watch Rachel read for 24 hours. Oh, that's loud. It is almost the end of the day now. It is 4:30 p.m. and I'm very hungry. I had noodles for lunch, but I think I'm gonna need another snack. But I came over here to tell you, God, my brain is, it feels so fried and there's like a million thoughts going around at once. Anyway, if you watched a couple weeks ago, I got this printer, an absolute bargain. I got it off Facebook Marketplace and I'm kind of testing it out to see what it can do. And I've just tried it with 200 GSM paper and it works. And that's like the perfect size for a product that is gonna be in my launch range. And yeah, so I'm just really excited that it can print on super thick paper because I'm not sure. I think like regular office paper is like 80 GSM, I think maybe. Yeah, so that one's 80 GSM. Also, did I show you the finished product of the bookshelf? I'm not sure that I did. Rowan and I painted this one last weekend. This is going to be all our like office stationery and stuff. I'm very excited. That's my setup from this morning. I had my camera, I had my ring light, but I couldn't even get the bloody video to work. So I did all this for nothing. Oh, I'm so mad at myself because she probably thinks that I'm some noob that doesn't know anything about technology because I couldn't get my video to work. Anyway, I'm gonna eat. I don't know what I want. What do we want to eat? I absolutely love apples when they're crispy and cold. Let's hear the crunch. So good. I can't be bothered to cut it up. It does taste nicer cut up, but can't be bothered. Since I've pretty much done everything I need to do today, I think I'm just gonna vacuum the house, clean up a little bit, and wait for Rowan to get home. And then when he comes home, I'm gonna start dinner. But I feel like I'm still on such a high from my meeting this morning. If it all goes well, it's gonna be the coolest thing. It's gonna be so cool. I can't tell you yet. Here I am holding my 2 apples up. I don't want to say anything just yet in case I like jinx it or whatever, but oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, I better pay this boy some attention. Apple.